I know what you're thinking. You can't wait to take your laptop apart. This one is a Razer Blade. You should have guessed. And you're thinking, oh, let's open up my screwdriver set, and you're going, oh, and then all oh, this might be one. And you go like this, and you go like, oh, come on, can't wait. And you shove it in here, and I'm saying, stop. No. That's not how you do it. I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Put your tools away. You might have bought something that says anti-static, prevention. And you're thinking, yeah, I don't need to worry about that. Well, I'm saying you do. So you put your device away, and you get yourself one of these anti-static service mat. When I was a field engineer, I used to carry this around. I used to take things to bits, and people used to think, oh, he's professional. Smells like, oh, I can't get the word out of it. Yeah, it's like a lilo for the beach. And I'll put the description of what I've got here. Oh, okay, let's put it that way round. Okay, so you can see it. The good thing about this one is, A, you've got 4 in the corners, which I never noticed when I actually bought it. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 1 in the corner there. And it comes with pockets, so you can put your bits and bobs in there. So say you've got some memory or something and you're going out to do some work. Obviously, pretending we're actually at home doing this. And anything that goes on here will be earthed once you've set it up correctly. So it comes with this black cable here, and this one. For some countries you don't have a plug with an earth pin and you clip that on the earth in your main socket. Sounds dodgy to me. Now for the UK, where I'm from, or am, you have to buy yourself the main socket that goes in your country. So you buy the mat with all these bits, and then all you have to do then is buy a socket, and I've got the pin, and you notice this only the earth is connected. All this is plastic. And then what you do then is you get the end of this, and some have a clip on, so you can clip on like this, but this particular device comes with a pin, so you have to wind one so you can plug it in there. Okay. You then plug that into your main socket. I would still probably turn it off at the mains. In this country you can turn it on or off, but it still leaves the earth connected. So that's in the earth. This then goes onto your mat, like that. And this, so again it's for another clip onto your device if you want. Again, I wouldn't do that. You plug that in there, nice and easy. Then you get your anti-static wristband, and you tighten that up. That's good one there. I remember doing these. I don't know, bring back memories. Once we're like the 90s here. Like that. You plug that in there, and what happens is any anti-static that you might have built up on your carpets or your nylon something, it will now discharge slowly down through to your mains and the earth. Okay, again, it must be plugged into the main socket, it's no good otherwise. So then you can get your device, and as soon as you put it on there, everything in this area now is earthed, if you like, so there's no anti-static. Some people Now you're probably saying, oh, I've got away with it for years, and yes, I've done it as well. And a lot of people, what they do is you can leave your device plugged into the mains, leave it powered off, and then the earth should still work, but you're still potentially putting your voltage through, and obviously it depends on how earth the device is. Some things don't have an earth. Yeah, those are like the dual pin sockets, so don't have earth. So the thing that this mat and others give, I mean this is quite bendy, you see, and some are like a rubber, and this will last forever, is it gives you confidence that you haven't damaged any of the devices you're touching. It gives you 100% confidence, whereas I think, well, they should be all right and stuff like that. So that's what I would do. Get yourself one of these if you're planning on taking any equipment apart, whether it's a PC, laptop, even just if you're going to take the lid off and put a memory in. When you're touching the memory stick and stuff, you're thinking, oh, I haven't blown it. And it's just like a fuse. Now, this is the old wire fuses. Most people don't have those anymore. But if you're an electrician, you'd know that a fuse can suddenly go. And you're thinking, well, that fuse has been in there for years. Why is it suddenly gone? And what happens is the thin wire in the middle, that's the wire, it heats up in the middle and it gets thinner and thinner and thinner. It spreads out. And eventually it's too thin to take the surge. And that's kind of very similar to what your memory or hard drive or anything else is like, that you could damage the circuitry, but not enough to blow it. And then all of a sudden, at the blue, it stops working. And that's because you've damaged it when you touched it without being properly earthed. And these aren't expensive. They aren't expensive at all, and they serve you well. They really will. I mean, I've got a PC, got a Razer PC case, which I want to go and buy a load of bits and stuff in, and you're talking £2,000, dollars or whatever, and it's a lot of money, and you're thinking, I wonder if I've damaged something when it don't turn on. But you know you haven't if you've got one of these strapped up, plugged into the mains, turned off. Okay, any questions? Let me know. But the good thing about this, as I say, you could put something in the pockets and then just fold it up. Because it's a foldable one. I haven't folded it correctly, but I'm just doing it quick and nasty, as I say. You can then put it somewhere. With the rolly ones like these, this is not obviously an anti-static mat, this is just a rubber gaming mat. They roll, they fray on the edges and things like that, but this is very tough. Okay, look at the next video. Till then, bye. No, I did say bye.